Welcome to Cluster Truck. It's finally out on the Xbox One. Finally, from the PC, from Steam, from everywhere. Right now, this is just a recording of me playing. I've already played. This is just a voiceover, as usual. But hopefully I can... Well, anyway... yeah, so, like I said, Cluster Truck, I'm sure y'all have heard the game. I'm sure y'all heard it from, like, commentary channels like Memeless. He does, he's amazing. His content is, cringe. Well, I'm cringe. Of course I'm cringe. Because this is 9 minutes of complete garbage because I suck at Cluster Truck. And, yeah, so... I really don't know what else to do. Like, I would talk through a full 9 minutes of commentary, but, you know, that's... I don't know what to do. Like, I keep failing this stupid level. I'm sorry that I raised my voice. I'm cringe. I'm cringe. I'm cringe. I should just kill myself. You know what? If this video can get 15 likes... I will smash my old Xbox 360. No, I'm sorry. I can't do that. I love this thing. It don't work anymore, but I love this thing. If y'all could write down in the comments where I can get this thing fixed, then please do, because I have a lot of memories on this thing. Like... I have so many memories on this thing. I really don't know. Like this hard drive has mods on it. Wait. I wonder if I can I extract the mods from I don't know. Like, I wanna get the mods off of here onto my Xbox One, but I don't know how to do that. I'm not gonna fuck with it because I'll end up fucking up something, and I don't really feel like doing that. But yeah, if y'all could tell me where I can go get this thing fixed, that'd be awesome. And I'm probably about to hit the bed, so I'm not really willing to talk through 9 minutes of this. Like, okay, here's the thing I can talk about. People starting drama at my school. Like, it's stupid. I know y'all really wouldn't want to give a fuck about this. I mean, this is stupid. Because people are fucking retarded. Like, you don't know how many rumors go around about me and my ex. I'm not gonna explain anything about me and her. I'm just gonna say, like, okay, here's what happened. Well, I can't really explain it because I don't want to explain it. It's kind of private between me and her, and I fully do respect that. But let's just say a secret got out between me and her. Not gonna spill the beans on who told it, but it makes me mad now that people know about this stupid secret that happened a couple of weeks back, like a month back. This happened a month ago, and yeah, so anyways, something happened. I got mad. I'm still a little upset about it, even though it happened a month ago. It's still kind of biting me in the ass. A little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. And so yeah, this is basically full cringe, and I really don't know what else to do. So I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out. I'm sorry. Like, I would do the full, 10 minutes of this bullshit, but I can't because my fucking throat hurts. So yeah. Hope y'all did enjoy the video. If y'all did, leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Stay gaming.